Hi and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are making some sweet buns, okay, or sweet bun as some of you may call it. This is so soft and it is so good. It's something I know you love to try this Christmas season. So let's get started. Into a bowl, you go in with some soft flour. You can use all purpose flour if that is what you have available. Go in with some nutmeg, add your baking soda, and also go in with your baking powder. Add sugar. Yes, I have all the measurements in the description. However, if you see the sugar might be too much for you, you can as well reduce it. But this is perfect for the measurement I have here. Create a well after you mix everything together. Go in with your margarine or butter, which one you have available. Mix this very well and make sure that everything is well combined just like this. Now you want to create a well. You do not want to give it too much of the batter because we are going to be frying. If you give it too much of the batter, what it's going to do is that it will soak up a lot of oil. So after you create the well, go in with your milk and also water. You can decide to add the water bit by bit until you achieve this consistency. You see there, you don't want it to be smooth, okay? So if you add a lot of water, it's going to be smooth. So don't add too much water, just add it bit by bit. If you attain that feel or that texture, it's good. It shouldn't be smooth, okay? Yeah, heat up some oil in your pan and go in with it. You want it to have this raw feel on the outside, so you don't have to mold it to be perfect, okay? It's supposed to be irregular. So you put it into your pot on fire with the oil. The oil shouldn't be very hot, else it will cook on the outside very, very fast and the inside wouldn't be cooked properly. So make sure you don't overcrowd them in your oil. If you do that, you see it has doubled in size. They might not get enough space to cook properly. So just add bit by bit or as much as your oil or your pot can contain. If you achieve this, it's perfect. You can as well poke some toothpick in it while it's still frying to see if it will come out clean. If it comes out clean, then it's ready. You just take it out and then allow it to cool down. You have to repeat that for all of the dough you have until you finish everything. And note that when this comes out of the oil, it tends to cook again, okay? While it's cooling down, the cooking process still continues. And if you want it to be the color as you see, a very beautiful color, don't let it brown too much in the oil. If you do that, it will come out very, very dark after it cools down. Because while it's cooling, yeah, it's still cooking, okay? Because there is still heat in there. And this is what we have right here. You can enjoy this with some porridge, also with some drink, or you can just have this as a complete meal, and that is okay. This is so crunchy on the outside and very, very soft on the inside. Yeah, I hope that you found this video very, very helpful and you are going to try this. Let me know how it goes in the comments and also subscribe, like if you haven't done that yet, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Merry Christmas. Bye.